Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issues of a font size issues on your HTML page. Now in order to do that, just simply open your CSS file page. Now here under any of the circumstances, for example, if I want to add some font size for H1 or you can say for the body. Now here just simply create a new tag and write font size. Once you do that, you can see this font size. Once you do that, now here you can add values in multiple formats. It can be in centimeters, in pixels, in anything else. Now just simply add the font size as per your convenience, even if you want to add it on any format. For example, if I write 20 px, now this font size can be manipulated by me easily. It cannot be set default that has been done by HTML. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.